How to set up sign-in options for Windows Hello in Windows 11 HP PCs. There are a variety of sign-in options that you can set up for your Windows 11 HP computer based on your personal preferences. To access these options from the Windows home screen, search for and open Sign-in options. From here, you can choose an option to set up. This video will explain all available sign-in methods. Set up a password. On the Sign-in options window, select Password and then select Change. If a window prompts you to verify your identity, type the requested credentials. Note: to set up a password for the first time, click Create and then follow the on-screen directions. If you have an existing password, type your current password and a new password in the appropriate fields. Then select Next. Select Finish to complete the password setup. You are now prompted to enter the password when logging into your computer. Set up a fingerprint reader. Note: this feature is available only on HP notebooks with a fingerprint reader. Locate the fingerprint reader on your computer. On the Sign-in options window, select Fingerprint Recognition and then select Set Up. On the Welcome to Windows Hello screen, select Get Started. If a window prompts you to verify your identity, type the requested credentials. Make sure that your fingers are clean and dry. When prompted, gently press only one finger on the fingerprint sensor and then lift your finger up. Follow the on-screen instructions to repeatedly press and lift your finger on the sensor. This helps the sensor register your fingerprint completely. Note: for better results, use different angles to capture the edges of your finger when pressing on the sensor. If you have not already set up a PIN, select Set Up PIN when prompted. The PIN serves as your backup login method if fingerprint recognition is not available. On the Windows Security window, type a PIN and then type the PIN again to confirm. Then select OK. Note: for work computers, to view your organization's PIN requirements, select PIN requirements following the PIN confirmation field. Select Close to exit the Windows Hello Setup window. You are now prompted to use your fingerprint scanner when logging into your computer. Set up facial recognition. Note: this feature is available only on HP computers with an infrared camera. If you do not see the facial recognition option in Sign-in options, your computer does not have an IR camera. On the Sign-in options window, select Facial Recognition and then select Set Up. On the Windows Hello Welcome screen, select Get Started. If a window prompts you to verify your identity, type the requested credentials. Look directly into the camera. Note: be sure that no one else is in view of the camera. Facial recognition does not work if more than one face is detected. If you are wearing glasses while setting up Windows Hello Face Recognition, select Improve Recognition to go through the setup again without them. This helps the software recognize you with or without your glasses. Select Close to complete the process. You are now prompted to use facial recognition when logging into your computer. Set up a PIN. On the Sign-in options window, select PIN and then select Set Up. If a window prompts you to verify your identity, type the requested credentials. On the Windows Security window, type a PIN, then type the PIN again to confirm. To use letters and symbols in your PIN, select the Include Letters and Symbols checkbox following the PIN confirmation field. Select OK. You are now prompted to use your PIN when logging into your computer. Set up a security key. On the Sign-in options window, select Security Key and then select Manage. If a window displays prompting you to verify your identity, type the requested credentials. You are then prompted to insert your security key into a USB port. Note: the steps from this point on differ depending on your security key. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. If your security key was given to you by your employer or organization, they might have additional parameters for the setup process. Contact them for further assistance. Set up Dynamic Lock. Dynamic Lock is a Windows Hello Security feature that allows Windows to automatically lock your computer based on the proximity of a Bluetooth device paired with your computer. Note, this feature requires that you have an additional Bluetooth-compatible device, such as a phone or tablet, paired with your computer. On the Sign-In Options window, scroll down to Dynamic Lock and then select Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. With Dynamic Lock activated, your computer automatically locks a minute or so after your device moves out of Bluetooth range. That Bluetooth range varies by device. When you re-enter Bluetooth range, you must enter your password to unlock your computer. Note, if your computer has no phone or tablet paired through Bluetooth, an error message is displayed to alert you that you need to pair a device. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.